Innovation, excellence, technology, analysis. These concepts are part of our essence and keep us at the forefront of finding new solutions to optimize projects. At Sener, we have a team of fully qualified professionals who are able to provide a comprehensive range of services.
Como consumidor, ¿cómo puedo reducir mis costes energéticos y mejorar mi eficiencia? ¿Puedo convertirme en prosumidor? Y como promotor de plantas renovables, ¿cómo mejoro su rentabilidad, las hago gestionables y entro en nuevos modelos de negocio?
Our energy management system is the answer to all these questions. The EMS is an energy management tool based on an installation model and several predictors, allowing to obtain the only global optimal solution to the multi-objective problem. EMS enables different sectors such as public administration, industries, and power plant developers to reduce costs, increase self-sufficiency, reduce their carbon footprint, and profit from different markets.
El EMS nos permite establecer en tiempo real la estrategia de operación óptima, analizando las sinergias existentes entre generación, almacenamiento y consumo energético existentes y actuando sobre los activos. Además, ofrece una plataforma web integrada para la monitorización energética, con historización de diferentes KPIs representativos y adaptables a cada instalación.
Sener's Tres Cantos Office Building 9 is an example of the effectiveness of the EMS. This is where photovoltaic systems, batteries, and electric vehicle chargers are optimally managed. All systems and consumption are monitored. This installed EMS reports reduced energy costs, greater self-sufficiency, and optimal operation of the equipment, as it is modeled to increase its efficiency and lifespan.
La principal ventaja competitiva del servicio que ofrece Sener con su EMS es nuestra capacidad de poder abordar todas las fases de cada proyecto, empezando desde su diseño inicial, siguiendo por la ingeniería de su desarrollo e implementación y llegando hasta la gestión óptima en la operación.
Our tool can be adapted to any type of plant, to different functions that can be built upon it, and to communicate with any field equipment vendor. At Sener, we are committed to energy efficiency and sustainability. Our EMS enables our customers to achieve their goals in an efficient and sustainable way.